Hi, I'm Andrew, tool sales specialist here at Electric Sales and Service. We are in our Wildey showroom, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of our gas-powered chainsaw and our electric-powered chainsaw. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to our channel, to which now we're going to go and do the unboxing of our tools. So first off, we're going to unbox our INGCO 20 volt 750 watt battery powered chainsaw. In the box we have the guard, the engine of the chainsaw, the blade, and the chain. So, for convenience of time, we've already assembled one of these for you, which is here. And you have your chainsaw. And now we'll take a break and show you our gas-powered version. So here we have our 18-inch gas-powered chainsaw, and let's get inside of it, which comes with your chain, spark plug changer, depth gauge, gas mix bottle, your 18-inch blade, the engine of the chainsaw, and your guard. So, also for convenience of time, we've assembled one of these here for you already, which is the bigger, beefier one. It comes with a pull start, your gas, your oil, and your safety mechanism for the actual lock. Given that we are also indoors, I can't start this here for you right now, but we will do a comparison between this and the battery powered one a little later on for you. You might be asking yourself, what do you need a chainsaw for? Well, besides your gardening equipment, you cut down trees and stuff like that within your own garden. But obviously with the onset of hurricane season coming on, and you might have bigger problems with like fallen trees up themselves. It's not just branches, it's the actual trees that might have to be cleared from around your house prior to actual, the storm coming here. So we have two options. We have gas-powered saw, to which is an 18-inch blade. It's gas-powered, has oil to oil the blade, and you have your pull start, your trigger, your choke, and your on and off kill switch for that. And your other option is a lighter 10-inch battery powered chainsaw, to which they use the same 2-amp battery that is all interchangeable amongst all the other INGCO tools. So you have a 10-inch blade, your stop safety, your on switch, your trigger, and your oil to oil the blade again. Now, the big difference between the two of them would obviously be one is gas, one is battery powered. One, you have to have a mixed gas scenario with it. The other one is straight power. There is no delay, no pull start. You literally just put the battery in, turn off the safety, and you're good to cut. So right now we would do a slight demonstration between the two of them and go from there. Like with any other power tools, do not forget to use your safety equipment. I've got mine on, so let's get this here started. And then we're now going to switch to the battery powered one, to which there is no pull start. You literally take off the brake, turn on the switch, and you're good to go. So now we're going to go back to the showroom to close out the video. Thanks for watching our unboxing and demonstration of our chainsaws. You can email us at tools@electricsales.com or come into our Wildey showroom and see more of the tools for yourself, or you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or subscribe to us here at YouTube. And thanks for watching.
Essco switched on.
If you would like to watch the next video, click the box in the top right corner. If you would like to watch the previous video, click the box in the bottom right corner. If you would like to subscribe, click the circle.